Hey guys, Mr. Tomkinson here. I just wanted to show you guys a quick tutorial on how to make a bar graph. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up Google Spreadsheet, okay? What we're going to do with Google Spreadsheet is you have these lines right here. The first line, this first top part right here is where you're going to put your title of what you're actually making. So we're going to be making a bar graph, and this has to deal with the lesson 4, Unit 2. It's in Unit 2. That's the data which you need to be graphing. It's in Lesson 4, Unit 2. I think it's Figure 4.1. But I'm going to show you a way to do a bar graph using different data. Today we're going to make a bar graph using the elements that are in the atmosphere, or what is the atmosphere composed of. So the first line up here is what we want to do is we want to put in basically what we're measuring, what's in the atmosphere. So the first thing we have is trace elements. We're going to put trace elements right here. Next thing we're going to do, these are going to be our bars. That's going to be in our bar graph. The next one that we're going to put right here is water vapor. Next one we're going to put in carbon dioxide. Next one we're going to put is argon. These are the elements that are in the atmosphere. Okay. Then we have oxygen. And then last but not least, we have is nitrogen. So these are the components of the atmosphere. Now I have a list already made up, but this is where you're going to put your data. This is where you're going to put what percentage of the material is in there. Now you don't want to put it as a percentage, you're just going to put it in as a number. So trace elements, according to my data that I have, their trace elements, there's 0.08 trace elements in the atmosphere. So I'm just going to put 0.08. Sorry, my number lock was not on. Next is water vapor. Water vapor is 6.2. Then again, we're not putting a percentage sign up there. We're just putting a number. Carbon dioxide is 3.6%. Argon is 0.0 from the data that I have. Oxygen is 15.3. And the nitrogen is going to be 74.2. So this is our data, what I have right here. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to highlight these cells. I'm going to highlight these cells, and I'm going to go over here to this little tab right here. This is Insert Chart. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click that Insert Chart. And what should happen is that Google is automatically going to recognize that this is going to be a column. It's going to be a column chart / bar graph. You can come over here and you can actually change the graphs. If you want to do a pie chart, you can actually do a pie chart. If you want to do a sidebar graph, you can do a sidebar graph. For this purposes of teaching, we're just going to be doing this regular bar graph right here. As you can see, the elements are already labeled right here. But what we want to do now is we actually want to create tabs. We want to label like what this actually is. So what we want to do down here is we're going to go to Customize, and then we're going to go to Chart and Access Titles. The first thing I like to do, it defaults automatically to chart title, labeling what the title is. I want to go to horizontal axis and actually label what the horizontal axis is saying. So the horizontal axis is the composition of the atmosphere. So I'm just going to put composition or elements. Let's put elements in the atmosphere. Elements in the atmosphere. All right. Actually, it's not doing it right here. There we go. Elements in the atmosphere. There is our x-axis. That's what it's labeling. The next we want to label is our vertical axis. Our vertical axis title is going to be percentage or abundance. Percentage in atmosphere. All right. And there we go, percentage of atmosphere. Then we can label our actual chart title. What is our title of the entire thing going to be called? Click on here. Chart title is going to be percentage of elements in the atmosphere. That's just labeling it all right there. So we have it all. Now if you want to do other things too, if you want to change up the color, change up the font, you can change the font of all your things. You can actually change, go over here and you can change the colors of the actual chart. There's a lot of different things here. Series, if you want to, different color, the different charts, different colors, you can do so. So this is just a simple chart here. What you want to do now, if you want to save this and send it over, you can go over here. And if you want to copy chart or move to own sheet, download, edit, save, I like to copy chart and then go over to maybe a Google Docs, and you can paste it in Google Docs if you want to do that. So we just go down here and I can open up a Docs right here, start a new one, and then I could right click, paste chart, link to spreadsheet. Yes, I want to link that spreadsheet, and bam, there we go. So there is a simple way to do a bar graph. Very, very simple. The one you guys have in the lesson is you're going to be graphing I believe it's percentage of water on Earth, where the different water comes from. And so any questions, let me know, send me a message, and I can help you with any of that moving forward. All right. Thanks, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Have a good day, and we will hope to hear from you soon. Bye.